We've been bearish in the market for a while. Now you got to an opportunity where I think the market is going to create opportunities because of a technical reason. It's the NASDAQ. And you ask me all the time, what are your opinion on the S&P and the NASDAQ? And what do I tell you? I have no opinion. It's information. There's no trading edge. Now it creates a trading edge, not in the NASDAQ, but what's in the NASDAQ. Look at this. We waited the whole way for the NASDAQ to get to this area. So when does it do it? On a Friday, coming into month end and President Trump's announcement on Tuesday. So now the market is very nervous. But historically, when you get to these areas, you get a lot of noise. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for the market probably to follow through on the downside because the technicals, the algorithms will kind of stop people out. But now you're going to get into value areas. Doesn't mean on the NASDAQ, but what's in the NASDAQ? So we'll start to cherry pick some stocks. So down around here, we think the market can probably go lower. We think the news from President Trump is going to be initially bearish. But look at how you wait for this. We waited the entire way for this. Think about this. From here down, we've been bearish. Okay, you got the bounce. This is what, okay, let me do this here. You see this? This is what made it go down to here. This is when everybody got comfortable as we got a bounce in the middle of the week. And then all of a sudden it failed again. So now you got to here. But it showed that the market is buoyant. So when it gets buoyant, now if it gets buoyant here and reverses, the best thing that could happen in NASDAQ here is it extends and turns, and then you can catch a nice little bounce again. We're not bullish NASDAQ. We just think there's trades coming up, and we think they're going to come up this week. This chart creates opportunity. If you cherry pick the right stocks in NASDAQ, we got about a half a dozen of them right now that are setting up. If they don't set up, we don't put them on. But if they do set up, they're great trades. It's hard to buy something that bounces 20 points and you're looking for another 30. But if you could buy something that drops 10 because it's going with the market and you're looking for a 40 points on it, then all of a sudden just getting back in line gets you a 40-point trade. We have about a half a dozen of these setting up. You want to join the group, you watch. But this week, the NASDAQ set up perfectly for opportunities. And Monday's month end, Tuesday's news is going to make these opportunities pop up real fast.